Let's get started with a perfect photo shoot for your footwear. To start with, select your product category and subcategory. On the camera screen, the overlays will guide you where to position your shoe. You may orient your phone using the tilt icon and the horizontal line. Click your product shots when they both turn green. The Done icon will activate once you have clicked on all the necessary angles and they have been uploaded. Now name the project, which should ideally be the same as you would want for your product listings. Once you create the project, you will get access to a library of backgrounds relevant to your product category. Simply select any you like and preview the image. Choose your favorite background and apply it to your product. Click on Continue to Order and confirm your project. You will see an order confirmation screen displaying your credit usage. Our AI will now do its magic, which will also be checked by our team of experts, and you will get back ready to use high-quality images in your gallery and email inbox. That's how simple it is to create pro photos for your footwear products.